For over 15 years, we have been manufacturing our own LED backlight panels. We have also been producing for more than 10 years LCD digital products. The light and play range, which is constantly evolving. You can see here the entire manufacturing process from the creation of the parts to the packaging, including assembly in a dust-free room and testing. Recently, we have integrated the manufacturing of big format digital products in our factory as well. This is where the EcoSmart displays are designed. We keep in permanent contact with our French headquarters to ensure the on-time delivery to our partners all around the world and the warehouse in France.